With Aweber landing pages, we have a lot of pre-created templates so you can build your landing page. But we also have ones for specific circumstances. In this case, e-commerce, if you're looking to sell something on your landing page. From the different e-commerce templates that we offer, we have ones that are great for specific scenarios. For example, maybe you're offering an online course. This landing page template is perfect for that. You can even set your course up as a subscription payment. Or maybe you're looking for something a little more simple and just want to sell a single product. We have templates for that as well. We even have Patreon-like templates if you're looking to create a payment setup like that. And you can have multiple payment buttons on a single landing page. So go ahead, try this in your account today. And if you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.